Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use NetMiko with TextFSM. Okay, so let me explain this code a bit. So I'm importing NetMiko, or specifically net handler, which is a factory function from NetMiko, and I'm importing pandas as PD as the alias, right? And here I'm defining a dictionary called device. So dictionary is basically consists of keys and values. Okay, these are the keys and these are the values. All right, so here in this line, this is how you unpack a dictionary into keyword arguments. So we put this kind, we follow this kind of syntax: asterisk, double asterisk, and then the dictionary or variable. Okay, and I'm just storing the result of this expression into a variable called connection, and this is now a connection object. And on the connection object, I'm just calling the send method and passing in the string show inventory. So this is the actual command, right? And I'm just saving the output into a variable called output. Okay, and here below, I'm just disconnecting from the SSH connection. So in order for us to see the output in the screen, let me do print output. So the next step is Python NetMiko. Yeah, I will show you the unstructured output. Yeah, this is unstructured output. It's just texts, right? Now we will use TextFSM in order for us to convert this raw CLI text into structured, in this case, list of dictionaries. Okay, so let me just remove that and remove this. I'm just gonna uncomment these lines and explain it. So here, instead of just using the show inventory, we are using TextFSM. So we are saying that it's true. So comma space use TextFSM true. And in this line, we are just passing the value, or in this case, the variable output, into the data frame. So this is just allowing us to convert the dictionary or list of dictionary into data frame. So that's why the name frame. And here we are converting or exporting the data or the frame into Excel. So that's why we should put the file name, which is in this case NXOS inventory, and the extension. And we are saying that index is false. And we disconnect from the SSH. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this code and see what happens. Okay, now we see that there is a file in the same directory. We see these columns, right? Name, description, PID, VID, SN. Okay, so this is the equivalent to this unstructured data or text. So now it's actually structured now, right? And if you want to see the structured data in the screen, you can actually just say print. This is a list of dictionary. In here, once we convert that dictionary into data frame, it will be data frame. So let me do print output, which is the list of dictionary, and print frame. Okay, let me run the code again. Okay, so this is the list of dictionaries. You can see, we can say that this is a list because of the square brackets, right? So beginning square bracket, ending square bracket. And this is the data frame. All right, and of course, the same here. This is the data frame that was exported into a Excel file. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.